Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hello everyone, checking in on SPY Daily and Weekly. So we know Yellen and the Fed tomorrow, 10 a.m. Eastern, just a half hour after the open, so I don't expect a whole lot of activity until that comes out. So we've got the middle Bollinger Band as resistance. We closed just below it for the first time since the Brexit bounce. That is noteworthy, but that can obviously be trumped by the Yellen speech. And if it's a bullish reaction, we're heading right back to all-time highs, 219.60. And if we break 217.02, I'm looking down at the 10-week moving average support of 214.89 as the next level, and that will be a convincing bearish reversal candlestick confirmation. We've seen 4 bearish reversal candlesticks in a row, no confirmation. This week, with a bearish reaction to the Fed, will be that case. So some members have shared some input as to what they believe is going to happen, and one of the opinions resonates with me, so I will share it. The fact that Yellen was appointed by Obama, and the fact that the election is coming up in November, and the last thing that Obama or Hillary or the Democrats would want is an upset market heading into the election. I have a feeling that we will have a dovish stance because of that fact. And the last thing that Yellen would want to do is upset the Democrats heading into the election. Remember, she was appointed by Obama, and you better believe that there are political ties and everybody's hands in everybody's pockets. So we'll see if that ends up being the case. I personally am not going to be making too many bets one way or the other, going to wait for the reaction and then make a play based off of that. So 10 a.m. is going to be very telling. Dovish comments, we should get the market heading to higher highs. Some of this sell-off is people getting a little bit concerned. We are seeing a little bit of a sentiment shift that people are thinking we may get a hike in September or December. But if that becomes not the case, we should see a real quick rip back towards those highs as the markets adjust themselves accordingly. So we'll be watching very closely. A lot of that was opinion, and I certainly don't make a whole lot of trades based off of unknown coin flips and opinions, and I don't suggest you do either. So we'll see what tomorrow brings, and it's going to set the tone for next week without a doubt. I appreciate you watching. Have a good night.